Hello YouTube family, welcome back to JK Delicacy. So today I have a very simple recipe for you. It has been a minute since we posted. So for today we are going to cook our peas. So these are our boiled peas, 2 cups of them. These are 2 cups. Please make sure you buy 2 cups of this. Then, or you can also boil your own. So we have our dania or coriander. This is our dania. It's a batch of 10 shillings. We have our 2 tomatoes. These are our 2 tomatoes, medium sized. We have our 2 onions, medium sized, our 2 carrots, medium sized. Then we have our 2 garlic. So let's get into the video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So let's start by putting on our pressure cooker. So this is what we are using to cook our power pot pressure cooker. So it has so many options, whatever you want to cook. So you just press and you go on with your cooking. So we start by putting on our pressure cooker. So it's off. So since we are cooking our peas, I'm going to use the option of our beans. So let me put it on. So at this time it will start by eating already. As you can see, it's on. So as this heats up, let's chop our onions. So I've put 2 cups of oil. When I mean 2 cups of oil, I mean I've used this one to measure my 2 cups of oil. So let's put our onions. We have our oil here and it has started to heat.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling on FOMO. Babe, I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. till the sun's up Monday. We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't want them, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. All nice. Paradise is wherever we make it. AC to 79. Paradise is wherever we make it.
As you can see, our onions are almost ready, and also remember that I don't throw away our dania stems, so you use them at this point when you are frying your onions. So at this point, let's add our tomatoes. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and comment. So our pressure cooker, guys, comes with a top lid. So this is our top lid. So we're going to simmer this for a couple of minutes so that our tomatoes can be ready. Then we'll be back. So as you can see, our tomatoes are almost ready. So at this point, allow me to add my spices. So you can go with any spice that you want. So for me today, allow me to use our curry powder. So this is what I'm using. This is what I'm using for my curry powder today. And then I'm going to use my chili bean. I want to use 1 chili bean. So you cannot not use spices. And we are also going to want a pinch of our curry powder. So give it a nice stir. Let's add salt to taste. So personally, I don't measure my salt. So this is what I'm going to use, and it is enough for me. So let's bring in our carrots. Don't overcook your carrots. Then we're going to go in with our peas. And after putting this, I'm going to simmer for only 1 minute. Remember, I'm using a pressure cooker, and I'm just going to use the top lid to cover, not the pressure lid. Give it a nice mix. So as you can see, I have my spices here, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. So I'll allow this to simmer for like 1 minute so that my fish can absorb the flavors. Then we're going to add our soup. 1 minute for the peas to absorb the flavors. So 1 minute is over, so let's check on our food. So you can prefer to take it as it is, or you're going to want a little bit of soup. So personally, I'm going to want a little bit of soup because I'm taking it with chapati. So add your water, or if you have your broth, please you can use it. So bit by bit as you stir. So at this point, mine is ready. So I'm just going to allow this to boil and give it a nice boil.
My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out.
So
On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even.
So this is where I store all my spices. So these are my cubes. This is my, what is it called? I'm even forgetting. Here, the pilau masala. We have this one, another pilau masala. I love cooking rice. Our Rico mchuzi mix, our tomato sauce. Hey guys, let me tell you a story for another day. Why I bought this one. So please subscribe, comment, and like, share, so that I can share the story behind me buying the olive oil, the virgin one, and this Casimo flour here that I bought it from China Village. It's a Casimo one here.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home, put our to-do.
Our final dish. So please subscribe, like and comment below. Until our next video. See you guys.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat.